Can we talk about metal arts? Blacksmithing used to be a utilitarian pursuit, making horseshoes and tools and even the nails to build your house. But at Twisted Tree Forge, we feel like it really should be acknowledged as art. It's terribly artistic. So, while we might have a go at it now and then, we're not actually making nails. And my partner has made a lot of horseshoes and has nailed a lot of horseshoes on. But now he's doing things like taking this Stetson hat and replicating it in steel. Pretty cool, huh? That is a life-size steel, hand-forged Stetson.